Introducing VijAI, a proudly made in India innovation by VB Group designed to redefine workplace safety through cutting-edge technology. VijAI is a powerful module that works seamlessly, both on premises and at the edge, ensuring zero compromise on safety, speed, or scalability. Built for the dynamic needs of modern industries, VijAI automatically detects and reports PPE violations in real time, ensuring every worker stays protected at all times. From arc flash PPE to safety glasses, protective gloves, to hard hats, hearing protection muffs, face masks, and reflective vests, even protective sleeves, VijAI ensures compliance across a wide spectrum of personal protective equipment. But VijAI doesn't stop at detection. It delivers real-time alerts, empowering supervisors to take instant action, and generates in-depth analytics on PPE usage patterns and trends, helping you proactively improve safety across your work site. Whether it's an industrial facility, a construction zone, a chemical or process plant, or even a solar farm, VijAI is fully customizable to fit your unique environment. Empower your safety systems with VijAI, the vigilant, AI-powered PPE monitoring solution that's intelligent, scalable, and proudly made in India. VB Group, building the future of safety, one innovation at a time.